guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. If you guys have a Jeep Cherokee, Compass or Renegade, guys, and your AC does not work, your air conditioning doesn't work, today guys we're going to share the top 7 reasons why your AC doesn't work. Make sure you stay until the end, guys. Very helpful information will be shared today. As you can see, the engine is out of that Jeep. Why? Because we'll be making at least, guys, 100 videos on that Jeep, on that engine alone. Okay, because our mission, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. We'll be taking that engine completely apart, so if you have one of those vehicles, subscribe, guys. It will be very helpful information on this channel. In addition, every car we get at the shop, we'll have at least 200 videos. Our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. Take advantage, subscribe to the channel, and like the video, guys. Let's go ahead and explain now the top 7 reasons why your AC may not work on your Jeep now. So we start, guys, with reason number 1. Reason number 1 is being low on Freon. Okay, low on Freon. So we're going to get the can, guys, and we're going to show you what the Freon looks like. Usually you have a port, okay, let me show you, like this one right here on this car. You have 2 ports, low pressure, high pressure. We have it completely apart so we can show you the different components. And you connect one of the cans, okay, and you can check the pressure. You can make sure if it's charged, or if you need to add something, you can just get one of those. We'll have it listed in the description of the video below, guys. We'll have the link. Now, reason number 1, low on Freon or not enough Freon. This could be because, guys, over time they will lose some Freon. Let's say if the vehicle is older, 8 years old or so, 6 years old, I've seen that happen. Or you have a small leak somewhere developed, compressor can develop a leak. All the lines, okay, they have little bitty O-rings, seals, okay, that can develop a slow leak over time. So that needs to be addressed. Reason number 2, guys, most common reason number 2, bad fuse, okay, for the AC clutch. Okay, this is, guys, your AC compressor. This is the AC clutch. What it does, okay, you can see that that pulley, guys, spins freely. Okay, and when the clutch is activated by a 12-volt supply, that okay, that pulley will be locked up, and the compressor will start spinning with the pulley. Now, you have a fuse, guys, for that. That's reason number 2. Reason number 3, you have a relay for the AC clutch as well. So you need to make sure that you check all that. So what do we do after that? Reason number 4, guys, it could be a bad AC clutch, and we have the video on the channel how to test it. Super simple. It takes only a couple seconds with the voltmeter. We have that on the channel. Usually you want to have between 3 to 5 ohms resistance on the coil here. This is reason number 4. Reason number 5, many of you guys will have a pressure control solenoid. Okay, it's this switch right here. If that switch goes bad, that pressure control solenoid for the AC compressor, your AC will not work as well. And another reason, guys, you have a, okay, it's called a pressure switch, AC pressure switch. This switch right here detects how much pressure you have in the system of your Jeep, guys, and if that switch is bad, it's not going to tell the computer that you have enough pressure and enough Freon to turn the AC on, and your system will not work again. And reason number 7, guys, okay, if your radiator fan doesn't work, your AC will not work. Why? Because when you use the AC, the condenser gets hot, the car can overheat quickly, so the car automatically turns the AC off. So if the fan doesn't work, your AC will not work, and that could be caused by a bad fuse or a bad relay as well. So those are, guys, the most common reasons. Hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you having a Jeep, Cherokee, Renegade or Compass. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel and see you guys next time.